my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming up to you with another Zara trial haul, which is sale. I went again. Yeah, I went again because you guys really proved to me that you love Zara haul and Zara sale. Of course, we want to save the money for something super duper important, right? This time around I picked some pieces that I know I'm going to be wearing to church or something like that. I don't go to church every Sunday, okay, don't get me wrong, but these are the pieces that I said, okay, I'm going to throw it on. It's going to make me look decent. Of course, there are still a little bit of crazy, or you call it crazy, of course, a little bit of, you know, being sexy and all those jazz. I'm really loving the piece I got because it was on sale. Okay, for my opinion, the piece that I got, I think when they have sale, I want to have at least 70%, not 30%. okay, I got every pieces I got right here. There was 30%, 50%. I want to have 70% because I want to save the money for something different, guys. You know what I mean? Without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see all I got. But before we start, you know how we roll together. Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and make sure you turn notification bell so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. What I'm wearing right now is from Zara, but it's not new. I've worn it one time, so my Instagram. Okay, so I just decided to wear it today. Why not? Don't let anybody tell you can't wear one cloth 3 times. You can style different ways how you like. Grab a cup of prosecco, tea, or whatever you want to chew with this video. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. Item I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be starting from trouser. Okay, the first item I'm going to be showing you guys is this boyfriend jeans right here. I'm loving these jeans right now. Oh my days, I can't wait to style these jeans. I'm loving these jeans. It has a lot of going on, you know. It has this kind of slit cuts at the knee area. I love the fact it's not super duper crazy cuts. Okay, it has the both sides, so it's a little bit decent, rough jeans. Okay, this is a denim jeans a lot, and the waist is a little bit, this is a boyfriend low waist. Okay, I have to put it up because it was a little bit big at the back. You will see when I wear it, but I didn't care because I really love it. This was 39 euros, so I got it 20 euro, 19 euro 99, and the size 36, in UK size 8. So yeah, I love these jeans. I love the fact that it's a faded, it's not so dark, it's not so bright, it's just something that I like. And it has a pocket at the back. It has a pocket as well, and it has this kind of faded label at the back, too long. Okay, so yeah, it's not up to my ankle, so the bottom is a little bit fold. You can always remove it, but I think this is how I'm going to be styling it. If I want to wear this, is how I'm going to leave it, because when you just leave it straight, it's going to look it's going to look somehow boring. The one I want to show you is this pants right here, this trousers, silky trouser right here. It's a very stretchy trouser. Okay, I wear it on my Instagram. I think I wore it on Sunday to church, and at the waist area it has this kind of rubber bands, glitter, gold glitter going on. So yeah, and it's a very beautiful trouser. It's cream color, and the size of this one is size 38. I didn't find size 39 or size 36, so I decided to take size 36 because size 38 because I really love this trouser. It's very flexible. You can easily move your body. The only thing I don't like about this trouser, you will see it when I wear it, just that this cutting at the middle straight downwards, it's not staying on the right position, it's just moving to the right, so I just have to adjust it over again, which is a little bit annoying. But when you are sitting in the car, you are sitting in a place, so you don't need to bother. You have no critic, and it has no pocket. So yeah, and the waist is a bit loose, so I just have to draw it to be a little bit high-waisted trouser. Of course, it's not a high-waisted trouser, but I just do that because the waist is a little bit loose. Like I said, normally I'm supposed to get size 36. They didn't have size 36 because I was so obsessed about this, so I just had to take the size I had, which is size medium. In the UK it's size 10. So yeah, that is how it looks like. That is the 2 trouser I got. So let's move to dress. I don't want to be random today, so I got this dress right here. Oh my days, I'm loving this dress, guys. This is a material flower dress. Okay, and at the front it has this kind of buckle going on. So yeah, at the middle is a v-neck, and at the front is a bit short, but at the back it's a bit long. So yeah, that is what I love about this. It was a bit tight, so I'm not planning or hoping or wishing to gain weight, so it's okay. And it has a zip at the side. It has a zip, a very secure zip. So with this zip you really need a lot of patience, because if not it's just going to hang and spoil. So yeah, and it has a rubber band on the hand area, so on your ribs. So yeah, it has a rubber band, so with that it's going to make you secure. You can easily put it up and drop it down. So yeah, this number is supposed to be €35.99, but I got it €15.99, so which is pretty handsome. An elegant dress. Okay, when I saw this dress, guys, I said no, I must take it because it's a black. You know I love black. Okay, so it's this dress right here, this meshed dress, and it has a lot of jiggling. You have 1 step, 2 step, 3 step jiggling going on. Okay, this is a kind of dress that you wear, you feel like a lady. Okay, classic. Okay, and at the hand area it also has this kind of details going on, a little bit of gathering. Is a meshed material. And at the neck it also has this gather going on, and it has this tiny strap. So the strap has a little bit of pearls going on, as you can see. It has a pearls. So yeah, so when you tie it, it's going to add a little bit details to your belly button area. So yeah, it's not going to look all plain black. So this is going to bring more dimension to the dress. Button going on, and you have a little bit of hole, and inside it has this tank top dress going on. So you can easily wear the tank top without the mesh net on top. So while you can also wear the nets, mesh net dress when you have your bikini or something. If you want to style it up, if you want to style it down, you're free. Okay, I'm just telling you what this dress has, what alternative you have to style it. Okay, so I can see myself easily wear the tank top just like that. So yeah, it's cover my needs, so I can easily wear it in summer to go for a walk. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this one. And this one was a bit pricey, guys. It was a bit pricey. Okay, this one was €69 because it's an outing wear. Okay, it's not just a dress that you can see all the time. Okay, so yeah, and I got it €40.99. so you know what I mean. This one right here, this dress, I don't know what the hell I was thinking when I got this dress, guys. I don't know the hell what I was thinking when I got this dress. Church dress. Okay, a lady who just put to bed. Okay, this is the kind of dress you wear to church so that your belly can cover a little bit. But you know me, I love to juicy, I love to spice my stuff a little bit. I love to be extra. Okay, let's put it like so. And it's a long sleeve, and it's not it's a very, I don't know how, which is a cotton. Okay, the material is a cotton material. It's not stretchy, nothing. It has button at the back, tiny like straight button, and it has a cut at the back, as you can see, and it covers my knees as well. So this is a church dress, or when you want to go for a dedication, when you want to go for to be baptized in the church, you can easily wear something like this. Anyways, yeah, this is how it looks like. But when I picked it up, I have something on my mind going on. Okay, so the next dress I'm going to be showing you, these are the kind of dress that you wear to birthday party. You want to look very elegant, you don't want to look too much, you want to look a little bit bougie on the budget, you want to look a bit expensive, you want to look like you have got a shmoney on the bank. This is the kind of dress you wear. This dress right here is so cute, so cute. It has this kind of details going on at the front, and you can remove it, but when you want, you can easily rip it off because it's sewed. It was taken in with the needle, so you can easily rip it off if you want. It has a hook, and it has this kind of this kind of pearl glitter going on, which is very beautiful. So when you wear this dress, you don't need to wear any necklace, you don't need it. You can wear your earrings, you're good to go. Okay, and at the hand there is a long sleeve. At the hand it has these cuts, as you can see, so your hand is going to be free right here, which is pretty handsome. Is peach color, and the size of this one is size small, and this one was, I would have been more happy it was 70%. Okay, so yeah, and this dress cover my knees as well, or if I'm not mistaken, I can't remember, but don't worry, you'll be seeing when I wear it, when I put it on. And yeah, the price of this dress before was 109 euro, but I got it 69 euro, 69 euro 99, so which was 70 bucks, which I don't find bad. Okay, because it's a silky material. It has a lot of, it's a very heavy dress. Okay, and it has this kind of strong material, and it's stretchy. This dress a lot. I can't wait to wear it. This is like I said, this is a dress you wear for a birthday party. You want to look different, you want to look very different. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the dress. Top, one jumper and one top. So let me start from the top first. I got this top right here. This is a very beautiful ripped top, and it has details at the front. You can easily, guys, you can easily remove the stripe. You don't have to tie it, you can easily remove it, but I am not too extra that I have to show my boobie to the wind, so I'm going to tie it a little bit, just loose, not so tight. Okay, so yeah, and the size of this one is size small. This was how much this was cost. This was 9.99, so I got it 9.99, and it's very stretchy. I love the fact that it's a cropped ripped top. It's very beautiful. I can see myself styling with the boyfriend low waist jeans. Okay, yeah, it's very beautiful. Last but not the least, guys, is this jumper right here. This kind of it's not that, I can't say this is a teddy bear. It's a very soft, cozy jumper. And what I don't like about this jumper, I don't just like the neck. Okay, the neck is just for me too boring. For my person, it's too boring. You can't tell me nothing about this jumper. I love the fact that it's yellow and it's a long sleeve, and it has this kind of band at the hand area, and at the bottom it also has this band going on, and is in the size medium. In US is size small. So yeah, I love it. I can't wait to show you guys. I love it. I can see myself style with this skirt with leggings, or you can style it up, style it down. This jumper doesn't need a lot. Okay, the only thing you need to know what you wear at the bottom. You can wear black jeans, you can wear white, you can wear light blue jeans. Okay, but wearing a dark jeans, I think is going to be too much. It's not going to bring the shape of this one, because it's a very bright color, so you need something that is going to, that is why I say you can style it down. So you need something that is going to is not going to demand a lot of attention. So this is supposed to be the attention. This is going to be what attract people. Okay, not the trouser or what you wear at the bottom. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. Please do let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite and which one looks good on me as usual. No long talking. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take a look. Ciao. Mwah. Mwah. I love you guys.
Much lately, I just need to clear my head. 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 I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.